Welcome back to VXN, where we do not just review machines, we dissect them, understand them, and push them through every angle so you know exactly what you are getting before you spend your hard-earned money. Today, we are going all in on one of the most talked about performance trucks in the world right now, the RAM 1500 RHO. This is not a quick overview. This is the full experience. We are talking design, engineering, performance, suspension, real-world driving, off-road capability, interior quality, technology, towing, ownership costs, comparisons, strengths, weaknesses, and who this truck is. Really, so settle in, because this is the complete VXN deep dive into the RAM 1500 RHO. Let's begin with the identity of this truck. The RAM 1500 RHO arrives at a turning point. The era of the supercharged V8 in Ram's performance truck lineup has officially closed. In its place stands something new, something more modern, and arguably more advanced. Under the hood of the RHO is the 3.0-liter Hurricane high-output twin, turbocharged inline-six engine. At first glance, some traditional truck enthusiasts might pause. Inline-six, twin turbo. Where is the thunder of the V8? But numbers tell a powerful story. This engine produces approximately 540 horsepower and 521 pounds-feet of torque. That is serious performance by any standard, especially in a full-size pickup. The Hurricane high-output engine is built with a focus on efficiency, strength, and high boost capability. It features a forged steel crankshaft, forged connecting rods, and a robust block designed to handle significant pressure. The twin turbochargers are mounted strategically to minimize lag and improve throttle response. When you press the accelerator, the response is immediate. The turbos spool quickly, and the torque comes in strong and steady. Unlike a naturally aspirated engine that builds power gradually, or a supercharged engine that delivers an instant mechanical punch, the twin-turbo inline-six provides a smooth, yet aggressive surge that continues pulling hard through the rev range. Paired with this engine is an 8-speed automatic transmission. This transmission is calibrated specifically for the RHO. In daily driving, shifts are smooth and refined. In performance modes, it becomes sharper and more responsive. Paddle shifters allow manual control when you want to hold a gear longer, or downshift for engine braking on a descent. Acceleration is astonishing for a truck of this size. 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in roughly the mid-4-second range, depending on traction and conditions. That places the RHO firmly in performance vehicle territory. Launching the truck feels dramatic, yet controlled. The chassis remains composed, and the power delivery feels intentional rather than chaotic. But straight-line speed is only one part of the equation. The true character of the RAM 1500 RHO reveals itself in its suspension and chassis engineering. This truck is designed for high-speed off-road performance. It features Bilstein Black Hawk E to adaptive performance shocks. These advanced dampers continuously adjust based on terrain, speed, and driver input. The system monitors multiple variables in real time. It reads wheel movement, steering angle, throttle input, and vehicle speed. Based on this data, it adjusts damping force to maintain stability and control. This means the truck can remain comfortable on pavement while becoming firm and composed. During aggressive off-road driving, suspension travel is generous. This allows the RHO to absorb deep ruts, rocky surfaces, and uneven terrain without losing traction or composure. The widened track width enhances stability during high-speed cornering on loose surfaces. Ground clearance is impressive. The underbody is protected by skid plates that shield vital components, such as the transfer case and fuel tank. Approach, breakover, and departure angles are optimized to handle steep inclines and obstacles. The four-wheel drive system includes multiple drive modes. Auto mode balances performance and traction for everyday driving. Sport mode sharpens throttle response and shift points. Tow mode optimizes power delivery for hauling heavy loads. Snow mode adjusts traction control for slippery conditions. Rock mode provides low-speed torque control for crawling. Mud sand mode enhances traction in loose surfaces. Baja mode transforms the truck into a desert runner. In Baja mode, throttle response becomes immediate. Stability systems allow controlled slides. The suspension firms up to handle repeated impacts at speed. The truck feels planted and confident across open terrain. Steering in the RHO is precise for a full-size pickup. It is weighted appropriately and provides enough feedback to feel connected without being overly heavy. At highway speeds, it tracks straight and stable. On trails, it responds predictably. Braking performance matches the truck's power. Large ventilated disc brakes provide strong stopping capability. Pedal feel is firm and reassuring. Even after repeated hard stops, the braking system maintains consistency. Now, let's talk about exterior design. The RAM 1500 RHO carries a bold and aggressive stance. The front fascia features a distinctive grille with RHO badging. Functional air intakes help cool the engine and manage airflow. The hood includes performance-oriented vents that reduce heat buildup. LED headlights provide bright and clear illumination. Daytime running lights add a modern signature look. The front bumper is sculpted to improve approach angles and durability. From the side, the truck appears wide and muscular. Layered fenders accommodate large all-terrain tires. The wheels are beadlock capable, designed for serious off-road use. The increased ride height gives the RHO a commanding presence. At the rear, LED taillights continue the modern design language. Dual exhaust outlets signal performance intent. The tailgate is sturdy and can be equipped with a multi-function design for improved versatility. Step inside, and the RHO transitions from rugged athlete to refined performer. The interior reflects RAM's commitment to luxury within the truck segment. Materials feel premium. Soft touch surfaces, detailed stitching, and performance-inspired accents create a sophisticated environment. The seats are supportive and comfortable. They provide bolstering during spirited driving while remaining plush for long-distance travel. Heating and ventilation options enhance comfort in various climates. The steering wheel feels substantial and well-crafted. Controls are intuitive and easy to reach. The digital instrument cluster is customizable, allowing drivers to display navigation, performance metrics, and off-road data. The infotainment system features a large touchscreen running the latest Uconnect software. It is responsive and user-friendly. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration allow seamless smartphone connectivity. Navigation is clear and fast. Performance pages provide real-time data such as turbo boost, pressure, engine, temperature, transmission temperature, pitch and roll angles, and suspension status. For enthusiasts, this adds depth to the driving experience. Audio quality is impressive, with available premium sound systems, multiple USB ports, and wireless charging. Add practicality, rear passengers benefit from generous legroom and comfortable seating. Cargo space is practical. The rear seats can fold to provide additional storage. The truck bed offers versatility for hauling gear, tools, or recreational equipment. Towing capability remains strong. The RHO can tow over 8,000 pounds depending on configuration. Payload capacity is sufficient for most lifestyle and light work. Needs. Fuel efficiency is improved compared to older, high-performance V8 trucks. While it is not economy-focused, the twin-turbo inline-six offers better balance between power and consumption. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and more. These systems enhance confidence during daily driving. Living with the RAM 1500 RHO means embracing versatility. It can serve as a daily commuter, a weekend adventure vehicle, and a capable towing machine. Ownership costs will reflect its performance. Nature, insurance may be higher than standard trucks. Fuel expenses depend on driving style. Maintenance intervals are reasonable for a modern turbocharged engine. Comparing the RHO to competitors like the Ford F-150 Raptor reveals a close battle. Both trucks offer high-performance off-road capability. The RHO stands out with its refined interior and strong power output from the Hurricane engine. Driving impressions on pavement are surprisingly smooth. The adaptive suspension absorbs imperfections. Wind noise is controlled. Cabin insulation keeps the environment quiet. Push the throttle and the character changes. The engine responds eagerly. The truck accelerates with authority. Gear changes are crisp in performance modes. Off-road, the RHO feels engineered for punishment. It handles uneven terrain with composure. The chassis remains stable. The four-wheel drive system distributes torque effectively. Emotionally, the RHO feels modern and purposeful. It represents a shift toward advanced engineering and intelligent systems. So who is this truck for? It is for enthusiasts who want performance without sacrificing comfort. It is for drivers who value technology and capability. It is for those who want a truck that can dominate trails and highways alike. The RAM 1500 RHO is not simply a replacement for what came before. It is a new chapter built on modern performance principles. If you are considering a high-performance pickup, the RHO deserves serious attention. And if you appreciate detailed, honest, and in-depth automotive content, make sure you are subscribed to VXN. We go beyond the surface so you can make informed decisions. Like this video, subscribe to VXN for more in-depth truck and car reviews. Share your thoughts in the comments and let us know which truck you want us to review next. This is VXN, and we will see you in the next deep dive.
you.